In this video, we're going to go over how to resolve accessibility issues in Google Docs using Bench AI. Let's start off by taking a look at the document to see what issues are prevalent. Just by taking a quick scroll, we can see that there's a whole myriad of issues. For one, there seems to be poor color contrast ratios in some areas, font size seems to be a little tiny, and these images may be missing alt text. To resolve this, let's go ahead and start scanning for some issues. We can now see that a whole range of issues have appeared, from font sizes, to images, to nested headers. Let's go ahead and dive deep into one of them, starting off with multiple H1s. Click on the multiple H1 issue dropdown. We can now see that it provides a more in-depth explanation into what the issue means. Starting off, we have this big issue card highlighted red, signifying that this is a critical error. Attached to it is a link to the WCAG guideline related to this issue. Below the issue card, we have a smaller card showing the particular issue in question. In this case, we have a second H1 with the name the Central Processing Unit. Locating this issue is super easy. Simply hit locate. It has now jumped us to the location of this issue. Inspecting it further, we can see that it is indeed an H1. We already have an H1 at the top of our document, so let's go ahead and resolve this issue. Just hit Fix to proceed. Great! Let's now check out the changes that have been made. Scrolling down, we can see that the Central Processing Unit is now a heading 2. However, that was only a scenario where we had one issue. Why don't we take a look at an instance where multiple may appear? Looking at font sizes, we can see that multiple issues appear at once. Looking at the issue card, we can see that it's not red, but yellow, indicating that it's a warning. Looking at the individual issues, we can see that the text UNIVAC and that the following paragraph are both way too small of a font size. To fix them, all we have to do is hit Fix All. This will then resolve both issues at once, increasing them to an appropriate size. Now that you have a good understanding of how issues are resolved, I'm going to quickly rinse and repeat what I've shown and eliminate all the issues on this document. Before we finish remediating, I think it'd be nice to address the alt text feature that Bench AI provides. If we scroll down to the images that have now just been remediated, we can see that each one now has alt text. Another cool feature we provide is that for graphs such as this, we also generate an alternate description right under the image. You can see that here. Great, let's now finish up remediating the document. And with that, we've remediated all critical issues in a quick and easy manner. In the next section of this video, I will show you the non-critical issues present in the tool tabs and how to fix them. For issues that are less common and take much longer to detect, we allocate them towards the tool tab. By looking at our screen, you may have noticed that a certain section of our text is actually very hard to read. The color contrast is quite low. To fix this issue, we can simply head over to the tool tab and scan for it, just as we normally would. From here, it's the same process as before. Simply hit Scan on the particular issue you want to solve, and now you can go ahead and fix it. We recommend fixing issues in the tool tab at the very end of the document remediation process. This is because running these scans is much more computationally expensive and will take a longer time. In the next video, we will go over fixing merged cells.